So I would highly recommend this unit, okay? Super nice, and it's gonna look even better once I put the dye on it. Unit on. Okay, so I was melting the lace for probably like 30 minutes just until I finished my makeup. This is how the lace looks. Very good. So y'all know this unit can be worn glueless. So it comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, lace cut. They make it real simple. Now the unit is not jet black. This is its natural color, which is kind of like a brown. So I would dye this unit, but I just want to show you guys exactly what you get straight out of the box. But look how good this lace looks like. So pretty. Let me spray. So setting spray just around my lace where I put my powder. See how good that look? And to me, on these Yaki units, the lace is a lot softer. So we love that. Now this is a bob unit, but it's 12 inches. So this is how it would look, you know, if you wanted to wear it straight out the box. Like I said, this is 12 inches, but we're gonna cut it. So we're going to put a little bit of heat protectant. I like to use the serums, especially on my Yaki hair. I just like the way that it makes the hair look so nice and shiny. See that? I'm gonna take the hot comb just to flatten out the top. And the Yaki hair can take heat. I do get some questions about that. My hot comb right now is on 350, but my flat iron, I have that one on 410. I know my flat iron front came off, so ignore that, but these flat irons work so good and they get really hot. So as you guys can see, 410. Okay, so this is how it would look if you want to wear it, you know, 12 inches. It just kind of looked like how we used to wear our hair back in the day when we used to wear like the wraps, comb it down in the morning, and it was something like this. But this would still work for somebody. It looks very, very natural. Look at the hair. Very natural, but we are going to cut this into a bob.
You to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah. And driving us crazy.
All right, y'all. Here is the bob. Now one thing I like about doing it with this Yaki unit is you can get a nice blunt cut, and I like that. Y'all see how it looks? Really nice, shiny. It's not too thick. I really, really like this unit. I still have to straighten it up a bit in the back because it was some parts that I couldn't get with the clipper, so my husband will help me with that a little bit later. But this is how it looks. Very pretty. Get you this wig. It's so good. I could still, because of how good the lace is, I could still put it behind my ear if I want to. See that? And y'all know how I am about my bob units, okay? I do the really short, I'll do the mid neck length, I push it behind my ears, I do all the things, and You guys love, 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 love the bobs. I get so many questions. So I would highly recommend this unit, okay? Super nice, and it's gonna look even better once I put the dye on it. So if you guys are interested in this unit, which I know you guys will be, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.